single day. I'm gonna make.
Today's haul begins with 4 candles. These 3 are from Grade, from Poundstretcher. The brand is Grade. That one is from Primark. These 3 are £1.49 each. That one is £2 from Primark. Pink lemonade, raspberry and red apple, cinnamon and spiced apple, nutcracker delight, hazelnut maple and praline, magic forest, pretty much pine and Christmas tree. Next thing is this room spray by Airwick from Poundland. This is the Airwick Pure Winter Wonderland, so in winter time I can have my room smell like Christmas and pine. This was £2 from Poundland. Elderflower and lemon. That one's white grape. These two were 2 for £2.50, and I didn't get a price on this, but the one near Cameron sells them for £1.50. Yes, I reckon they sell them so expensive because of the flavours. But yeah, that one's raspberry and passion fruit, which the reviews for these will go up soon. I got some of these, some cotton buds, because I don't know really, I just needed them. It's like maybe I can clean out stuff with them, because that's what I normally do. These were 95p from Poundstretcher. Also, those 3 candles were also from Poundstretcher as well, forgot to say, for £1.49 each. Got myself a Toblerone, the dark chocolate with honey and almond nougat. So I got her a green tea for 15p and a pack of something that I'll show you in a bit for £1. Don't ask why I got these, I don't know. I thought to get them because Harry Potter Christmas cards for 50p from Primark. Why not? I got Cameron's sister a birthday card because obviously it's her birthday coming up very soon. So I got that for us to write for her. Card is from Card Factory for 99p. Again, these are 99p from Poundstretcher. I love this cereal. It's basically like Crave but Mornflakes version. A pack of body balls, as it says on the thing, for 69p. So yeah, there's a pink, white and blue. Those bath balls are from Poundstretcher. This is from Poundland, but it's in the Charm brand, dark plum and honey. So got this. So this one is for Cameron's room. The pine one's for my room. Not living with him yet, but you know, this is for him for £1. This is pretty much what the joggers look like. I got him a pair of joggers for £5. Yeah, so this is what the joggers look like. This is what I got myself for £1. Mint chocolate nibbles. I got my mum a packet of these for £1, and the lime tea for £1 from Poundstretcher. Lastly, I got a pack of mini Toblerones, but in the normal version for £2 from Poundland. I also got Cameron some red sliders that say Game Over on for £6 from Primark. So yeah, that's all for today. Please comment down below some video ideas or something, whatever you want to comment. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. So bye.